everyone, my name is Kamille and I'm a recreation leader here in the city of Segundo. Today we're going to be doing a super fun holiday craft and we're going to be making cotton ball snowmen. So for this craft today you're going to need a few different things that should be lying around your house. So you're going to need cotton balls, clean tube socks like I have here. You're going to need something to make buttons with for your snowman. I just have some fuzz balls here, but you can use felt, you could use construction paper, anything really. You're going to need rubber bands, a Sharpie, some googly eyes, orange construction paper. You're gonna need some pipe cleaner, and lastly, you're gonna need a hot glue gun. Okay, so first thing we're gonna wanna do is take one of our tube socks. I'm just gonna make one snowman today, but if you wanna make more, you can take however many tube socks you'd like. And I'm gonna take our cotton balls, and we're gonna stuff a good amount in the bottom of our tube sock. We can roll it down. Rolling our tube sock down is going to make it way easier to put the cotton balls in. And I'm just going to stuff a good amount in until we get the big first layer of our snowman body. Okay, so once you feel like you have enough cotton balls in the first layer of our snowman body, we're going to take a rubber band and tie it around the top of it. Okay, so once I have the rubber band tied, I'm just gonna pull at the cotton balls so that we get that nice round snowman shape. Okay, so after this, you're gonna wanna do the same thing, stuffing the cotton balls in the second layer, and you're gonna put a little bit less just because that second layer isn't gonna be as big as the first. Okay, so now that we have molded our cotton balls and filled it up as much as we wanted, we're gonna tie off this second layer as well with our rubber band. Okay, so now we have the body and we're just gonna make the head. And we're not gonna need as many cotton balls once again, and we're just gonna roll our sock down and stuff them in. Okay guys, so once you're done filling your head with cotton balls, you're gonna wanna tie it off with your pipe cleaner. I already cut one of them in half here, and this is gonna serve as our snowman's hair. Then we're gonna take our other one and wrap it like so. Okay, and it should look something like this from the front. Okay, so for our next steps, we're gonna need our hot glue gun. We're gonna hot glue our buttons to the body of our snowman. Then we're also going to hot glue the googly eyes and the construction paper nose to our snowman, and I'll come back with it all finished. Okay, so now that we have glued on our buttons, our nose, and our eyes, our snowman should look something like this. And I'm just going to add a little final touch with our Sharpie onto our snowman friend, and I'm just going to draw a little smile on his face. Alright everyone, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed making a snowman friend, and make sure you like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.